good day to you, our valued viewers. Thanks for making it beyond the news. A tragic incident occurred in Belvedere district in Bethel Town, Westmoreland, Jamaica, where a 33-year-old farmer, Adrian Smith, was shot dead and his house was set on fire on Sunday morning. According to the police, Smith was reporting for bail at the Bethel Town Police Station for a murder he had committed in Lilliput, St. James, in 2020. Residents reported hearing loud explosions and seeing fire coming from Smith's house at approximately 12:18 a.m., prompting them to contact the police. Upon arrival, law enforcement officials saw a one-apartment concrete structure on fire. The Montego Bay Fire Department was called in to extinguish the blaze, but the house and all its contents were completely destroyed. After processing the scene, police discovered Smith's body lying on the floor under a bed with gunshot wounds to the head and slight burn marks. 6 9mm spent casings were also found at the scene. Smith's body was transported to Savanna-la-mar Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. At this time, no motive has been established for the killing. The incident is currently under investigation by the police. This tragedy has left the community in shock and mourning, and our thoughts are with Smith's family and loved ones during this difficult time. Stay up to date with the latest news and find solutions to current issues by following Beyond the News on Instagram and YouTube. Our concise, step-by-step approach to news reporting offers solutions to the challenges we face today. Join our community to stay informed and engaged.